नमस्ते बिटियाओं, हमेशा खुश रहिए। दिस इज़ JVN ब्रिजेश कुमार यादव, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मेथोडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। Students, I have prepared this lecture for BSc B.Ed ZBC 6M. Subject botany. Paper is plant physiology. Students, we have started the first unit of your paper, and in first unit, first topic we have taken importance of water. On last turn we have seen how this water is important for plants. Today we are going to study another topic, that is imbibition. Imbibition is the phenomena of absorption of water or any other liquid by the solid particles of a substance without forming a solution. Okay, in simpler way, it is nothing but the absorption of water and it get swell up. Another term in layman, it is swelling, a kind of swelling, imbibe. So in this process the liquid molecule move from the region of its higher partial pressure to its lower partial pressure. The structure which absorb या imbibe is called as imbibent, and the liquid which is to be absorbed is known as imbibate. Okay, so there are two things, one is imbibent, another is imbibate. Okay, this figure demonstrate the imbibition. You can see that there are different test tubes, and in those test tube sucrose is kept there, but their solvent are different, and left it for certain period of time. After some time we see that only in the test tube which have distilled water the material gets swelled, imbibed. Okay, whereas in other test tubes where petroleum ether and sucrose kept, in those solutions substance is not swelled. Okay, so how this swelling is happened? It is just because of the process of imbibition. Okay, so this can be explained. Now imbibition pressure. Imbibition pressure is nothing but the pressure that an imbibant will develop if submerged in pure imbibic liquid, that is known as imbibition pressure. However, this word is nowadays old and new terms developed, that is metric potential. Now, what are those factors which affect imbibitions? There are certain external and internal factor which affect imbibition process. Look at them. First one is effect of temperature. Temperature is one of the important external feature which affect almost all vital processes of plants. The rate of imbibition increased with the increase of temperature. Means as you increase the temperature of solvent, the imbibition process will increase, that is directly proportional to increase of temperature. Imbibition can be also affected by the concentration of solute in the medium. The rate of imbibition decreases with increasing the concentration of solute in the medium. Other factor is effect of pH. The hydrogen ion concentration and the pH of the medium largely affect the process of imbibition. Another is specificity. Certain attractive forces exist between the molecules of the imbibant and the imbibed liquid. Failing such an attractive between the two components, the process of imbibition does not occur even other necessary conditions are fulfilled. It means there should be specificity of imbibants. If it is compatible, then only it get imbibed, otherwise it won't, although all the necessary conditions are available over there. Okay, so these are some of the factors. Now, how this imbibition is important for plants? Let's have a look. The imbibition is the initial step of germination of seeds. This imbibition is the first step. As you all know that seeds get germinated after getting favorable condition and breaking of dormancy, but this dormancy is broken down by the process of imbibition. So in this way, this imbibition is the first and crucial step for the germination of seeds. Another importance is imbibition causes swelling of seeds and result into the breaking of testa. I have already explained. The imbibition is dominant in the initial stage of water absorption by roots. This is the imbibition which allow water molecule to enter into the roots, which is the initial step of absorption of water. So in this way, imbibition also play crucial role in the absorption of water by roots. Another importance is the water moves into the ovule, which are ripening into the seed, which get converted into the seed after fertilization. This is done by the process of imbibition. And next is imbibition pressure generated during germination of seed is so enormous that it can break asphalt, road and concrete pavements. Means the imbibition pressure has huge pressure. Vast amount of pressure is there. Okay, so in this way we have seen the process of imbibition, demonstration of imbibition, what are those factors that affect the process of imbibition, and lastly the significance, importance of imbibition, how this imbibition is important for plants. Thank you very much.